Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today is about spicy food, which is not a standard thing in French cuisine, I have to say. Even though we have Dijon mustard, Basque Espelette pepper, French Guyana cayenne pepper, Cabri pepper from Réunion Island, which fights the flu and digestive issues. Just saying. French West Indies Bondaman Jack pepper. Ooh, scary. I kind of enjoy a good sweat once in a while, and a tasty curry is a great way to get that. Thus, this delicious Brococo Curry chicken we'll cook today. It's not a crazy hot dish, like a billion Scoville heat units. No! But it will warm up your mouth, and that's what we're expecting to get today. Get some milk ready, you never know. French word of the day. The French word of the day is piment, for spicy capsicum. Piment, good stuff here. It's filled up with vitamin A, C, E, and potassium. You need potassium. Good for you. What you will need to cook the Brococo Curry chicken for 4 is 12 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken breast, like this. A medium-sized onion. 1 tablespoon of curry powder. I mix this with chili powder, so it's stronger. 14 ounces of canned crushed tomatoes. 10 ounces of broccoli. You will need to cook this for 5 minutes in simmering water. Not more, you want it crunchy. 1 cup of cocoa milk. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. This is sunflower oil. Huile de tournesol. Option: the juice of a lime. 1 tablespoon of raisins. 1 tablespoon of sliced almond. Warm oil in a deep fry pan over medium heat. Add a chopped onion. Stir and brown for 2 minutes until tender. Add curry chili mix and stir for an extra minute. Option: add 1 tablespoon of sliced almonds and 1 tablespoon of raisins. Add sliced chicken breast into pan, toss and brown for 3 minutes. Add crushed tomatoes, coconut milk, and mix. Simmer for 1 minute while stirring. Then cover and cook for 20 minutes over low heat. Simmer broccoli heads for 5 minutes in a separate saucepan with salty water. heat and season to taste with salt and pepper. Option: add fresh lime juice and or chopped fresh cilantro. Well, I didn't have cilantro for this one, so sorry. Many thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. So please give a thumb up and show your support. Leave a comment in the section below. Let us know what you think about this recipe. What kind of spices do you usually enjoy? Let me know below. Subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all our new videos. It helps us a lot. Thank you for your help. In the meantime, merci, au revoir, et à bientôt for more culinary adventures. Yeah!